It's July 24th, and we are on our way to Lake Arrowhead in Georgia.
Here we are, Lake Arrowhead.
Push the beak. Touch it. Touch its beak. I like that. I want to live up there. That's my new not Jungle Book. Either Jungle Book or the Jungle Cruise. Movie or Jungle Cruise. Movie. And the ride. Eagles starting to
Is this a man-made? Yeah.
We're in the jungle. It rains 365 days a year for the baby. What describes this? What describes this?
You're still away?
It's a little rain cloud, just raining slightly on us. Not terrible.
It's getting too heavy. Come underneath here. Well, they are going away there because it's too wet for them.
Yeah, it's raining. Now it can get more wet. It looks pretty. It looks just like little bubbles. Yeah, it looks cool. It looks like the water. I'm gonna take a picture. See if I can get it. That's for you, Abigail. That's for you. I like waving at people. I do this. Well, people do that. They go like that. They just go like this. That's what I do.
Well, that's pretty much the end.
Yeah. Oh, those people
I do that to everybody, and I crash. They crash.
Yes.
I mean, bad for them. You can park there?
Yeah.
I wish I wore my sneakers.
Are they getting off?
I would run in there and start screaming. It would be so much fun. Set the campfire and burn the forest down.
That's scary.
She wants to be like this.
Yeah, I would.
Some very brave people here.
Where?
Over there.
I want to do it. I want to swing into the water.
That big tree right there.
This one?
Yeah.
I kind of see it. I see rope.
I see it. I see
yes.
a rope.
Oh yes, I see.
Is that a swing? That's what we used to use in a
Somebody
saddle
wants to
river.
try it?
No.
No.
It's high. It's high.
Dad wants to try it.
Yeah, I want to try.
I did. I went down there.
Oh, cool.
Do it.
I've seen too many fail videos of people doing that and then drop it on the ground.
You can't. If you hit the tree, you're so stupid to hit the tree. Yeah. But it's deep water there.
my god. I kind of. That was just like.
Wait, what were we talking about? Oh yeah, piranhas.
And we're just gonna do it.
Oh yes. Oh yes. Oh yeah. Can I have video? Oh my god.
I see it.
Yes.
So,
Yes.
Oh my God.
When he's flying through the air, and then I'm gonna replay the video, and I'm gonna take a picture of it. You did slow motion. I don't know how to do it in slow motion. No, you're gonna miss it. Yes. Daddy.
Actually, I think it's very nice when I get it wet and like lake water.
I was like, oh, it's so nice to go to a restaurant. I'd have to go to the lake, and Libby's like, yeah, all dirty with dishwater.
Actually, my hair is very soft. Is yours
Nice
soft?
big mansions here, right by the lake.
Mine is soft.
Nice big houses.
Mine is so
Look,
bad.
they're rafting. Oh, they're rafting. Oh,
They fell off!
Yes!
Good job, man!
Look, they see they have to keep turning. Now they have to go.
Lake Arrowhead is a gated community. It's a private lake. You have to live here to use it. This is Lake Arrowhead. It's a private lake. You can only go on the lake if you live here. Yeah, that's why they have that gate. You can't come in here unless you're on a guest list or live here.
Oh, okay, so it's kind of
Like what?
like Hollandskill Lake. And isn't that what her friend's parents invited us to?
Yeah, I think so. Only this one's much bigger.
Oh yeah, this is big. But I don't think they had boats over there. There's just swimming and stuff.
Yeah, they live here. Community. He said he lives about a mile
The house over there.
that way.
We saw an otter at Disney. Did you find it?
Get away from that cloud.
Look at that house.
How did you start all this really cool? Glad I downloaded this. What is it? 2 levels of a deck?
3 levels.
3?
1, 2, 3, and then a basement. Or whatever. Ground floor. Look at that big house right there. You can probably rent that maybe. You probably have like an Airbnb type
They
of
have a
thing.
whole thing over there. Look.
Nice houses here you can buy.
Yeah, right.
They started at 1.2 million.
Oh my gosh, not with this job.
Chump change. I was saying that maybe they rent some of these houses out, like, you know, Airbnb or something, yeah? So it'd be nice to do something like this for a weekend then.
I would live there. Hey, look, there it is. And there's where we went swimming. No, it isn't.
No, it's not there, but...
Whoa, that's huge.
Where?
That was fast.
I don't know.
Oh my gosh. Ow.
It's a big, I mean, we got 30 people living in there. I feel like these are too big to be houses.
Yeah, right.
Right?
Like you would think that it's like a bed and breakfast or something, or you know.
I want all the houses. I want all
It's the weekend house.
Oh.
Do you live on the lake or do you live near it?
No, well, like a mile off.
Okay. How do you like living in here?
Oh, beautiful.
Yeah.
It's so quiet in the night. There's no cars, no nothing. You can hear and drop.
Look, the steps go right into the water.
Yeah, I know. I saw that.
It's like they just kept building it and they forgot that it was water there.
Yeah, but that's nice because then you just walk down your thing. You walk into the water. You walk down the stairs. You walk
no
down
turtles
the stairs.
today,
You walk
yeah.
upstairs.
There was too much commotion before you. There were kids playing here. Usually it's full of turtles here.
Oh, okay.
I guess it helps prevent the erosion. That's where I want to live, a house like that. Right there, like elevated on the lake. It looks like it's not like a mansion, what do you call it? It looks just like a regular house. Yeah. You know, a couple of bedrooms, 4 bedrooms, nice big living room and kitchen and stuff. And an attic, and that's it. It's nothing extravagant. And it's up on the hill, which is really nice.
I want to sit on the edge of the boat and then do what? Sit on the edge of the boat? Ew! She said sit. Sit on the edge of the boat. And I could like strap myself up for it. Oh, look at all the geese, Mommy, or the ducks over there. It looks like Daddy, turn around.